I know what you're thinking. I don't look that curvy for a girl that's making a curvy girl styling video, and I promise I have my credentials. Here they are. March this year, this is what I looked like, and now I look like this. So even when I looked like the photo on the right, I was still using these tips, and they look good on all bodies, but specifically they helped me be more comfortable when I was curvy. Anyway, let's get into it. First up, tights. Oh my gosh, the difference this makes. If you hate the feeling of your skin rubbing together like I do/did, it literally makes a world of difference to be able to wear tights. It just makes it so you can walk easily. You don't have your skin rubbing together at all, and you can just be free. And also they're cute. They come in so many different styles, so many different colors. It can like really elevate your outfit, and I am so grateful I got into tights because of my weight gain. If that sounds weird, I don't know, but it really like opened so many doors for me creatively, and I just love them so much. They make such a world of difference. Chunky shoes. So as you can see, flip-flops, not much chunk, and I just feel like it doesn't even out my body. It like just doesn't, I don't know. Trisha even made a video a long time ago where she was like, I wear big bags and wear big shoes to make my body look smaller. And that's basically what we're doing. Like, these heels are pretty chunky, and they just add like more weight and more mass to my foot, and it helps even out the like thicker parts of my body, like my thighs and my butt. And obviously I love my thighs and my butt, but I just want to like look visually balanced, I guess. Obviously, the best ones for last. I love these boots. If you know anything about me, you know I live in these boots, and they are just the perfect. They're so chunky, so big, and they will even out your body no matter what. I've worn these in all stages of my life and loved them in every single one. Chunky belts. This is another accessory thing that came out of my weight gain that I absolutely love. I think that accentuating your hips is a really good tip. Your hips and like your bust area, and then minimizing your waist. If you can add layers to your hips and your bust, you will be golden. I love these two belts. This first one is super chunky, and the second one is a little less chunky. But either way, they just draw attention to the hip area, and the more attention, the more weight, I guess, it has in your outfit. And it just makes like a minuscule but also a big difference. Like, it just draws people's eye to a place that you want it to go instead of a place you might not want it to go, like maybe your stomach or your legs or something, like maybe your arms. I don't know. I'm just thinking of places that I used to not want people to look at. And I think the hips are a pretty safe one, especially in this era where everyone wants a big butt. I think it's pretty safe to say that you are pretty happy with people looking in that area. And yeah, the chunkier the better, the bigger the better, the bolder the better. Obviously, this can go for any style. Chunky belts are also super on trend right now. So plenty of options. Get on Pinterest, start researching, and they're just so cute. I highly recommend. Corsets. Oh my gosh. Obviously, this is like, I feel like an obvious one, but also maybe not. I have two options, this like waist belt one and then like an actual waist trainer corset. And I love both for outfits, which may seem weird, but this one I really love doing with like a cropped top and then shorts or like a skirt. And it just like forms it into this like play suit type of outfit, but also sucks in your waist so much. And I've had people like literally compliment, even when I was at my heaviest, compliment how snatched my waist looked just even from this little thing. I think I literally got it from Shein. I don't shop from Shein anymore. You shouldn't either, but I'm just saying, like, it doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to have boning. This doesn't have boning. It's literally just elastic. This one does have boning, and it's like one of those that like hooks up and then you zip it, and this one's actually a waist trainer. I do honestly really love it for outfits too. I just think it's so like cool and cunty, and it's just like a unique thing that you can add to your outfits. Also, utility purpose, I also wear this to the gym. Everything else that you do with a waist trainer, you can also do with this. So I just think it's a great investment. And if you're having a day where you're like, ugh, I just feel so bloated, ugh, I just feel like bleh, I just feel so like big, you know, you have those days where you just feel fucking big, this will help you so much. Even some days I would just wear it under a t-shirt and it just makes you feel so much more put together and snatched. And I really do highly recommend. Skirts. Oh my gosh, you wouldn't think that this really makes that big of a difference, but if you can find a good flared skirt, it's gonna make a world of difference, because just adding, again, that like mass to that part of your body, especially if it's a mini skirt, then it'll make your hips look huge, your butt look huge, and your legs look like tiny little sticks coming out from underneath it, and it'll make your waist look small. All that. It really, like, it does help a ton. Lastly is Thigh Rescue by Mega Babe. I literally went on a month-long backpacking trip in Spain, only brought shorts and like mini skirts like this, and only had Mega Babe Thigh Rescue, and it literally prevented any chafing, any rubbing. I was completely fine and comfortable, and that was also like at my heaviest. So it's good stuff, and I highly recommend. I didn't bring it for this video, I was just demonstrating with a stick of deodorant, but I put in a picture. Please like, comment down below if this video was helpful and what your favorite tip was, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.